why Wheezer and Sheen Estevez has autism. Sheen Estevez, obsessed with Ultra Lord. He loves to talk about, never talks about anything else, talks really fast. Wheezer, obsessed with llamas, not really smart, is obsessed with Jimmy's mom. Between Sheen Estevez and Wheezer have in common between low to medium autism area, just a theory. Nickelodeon fans, do you think Wheezer and Sheen Estevez has autism? Each Nickelodeon fans are different. I grew up watching Jimmy Neutron. That's all for my show today.